Do you want to know how you can log into your Vensure Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Vensure Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Vensure Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this site which is the joint login portal selection page. So there are some of the selection like for client, there are manager login, smart system login, and for employee, there are employee login and internal employee login. What you need to do is click on your portal. So let's suppose I want to go to employees portal. I'll click on this link over here and it will take me to another page which is the login portal for employee portal in Vensure. You can see that if it doesn't load, you can click on another pages and you can see it has loaded now. So go ahead and write down your username details. Go ahead and write down your username in this box, your password in the second box, and after you've written down your password, click on so, check your password once and then click login. This way you can log into your Vensure employee portal. And same goes for your client portal. You can see that this is the same process. Write down your email address or user ID, your password. Check your password once, click sign in, and you can sign in to your client portal in Vensure Payroll as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.